Good morning guys. Bili tayong tinapay. Diyan lang hindi naman yung kalabasa update. Yan, malaki na guys. Marami pang bunga dyan. Marami pang lumitaw na bunga. Tara. Bili tayong tinapay. Bili ng tinapay. At makakain na prutas. Hindi ko nilak yun. Bahay na tantan mga cellphone ko. Ang init eh. Ganda ng panahon eh.
ETC カードが挿入されていません。
Luckily, I used custody on table.
Pwede sana maglakad po ba guys. Ang sakit sa paa. Kaya yung mower. Bango. Parang ano yun ah. Parang ang sarap. Sila naka t-shirt, naka spaghetti, pero ako naka ano pa, naka winter jacket. May tugtugan. Hoy! Si ano? Si Barry.
Why you got away? I'm working. Hi? I'm working this morning. You went this morning? Good morning.
You're not working anymore?
Hi?
You're not working?
Huh?
Ah, rich. Heaps of money. Heaps of dollar. What are you doing in your life?
I'm relaxing.
Relaxing. Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Very good. Relaxing and
Yeah, relaxing. In Bimba.
you're just staying in your house.
Hi?
Staying in your house, stay house, and eating, watching TV.
Nah, I'm in the caravan.
Caravan.
Living in a caravan. Where is your caravan? Down south.
A huge one, or is it a what do you call that? The
What kind of
caravan is
Self-contained.
camper van.
Self-contained caravan.
Oh,
camper van or big?
Caravan.
caravan.
Big?
Is that?
Yeah. 6
Oh, only you and your family.
No, no. Me and my son.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Igual os started.
So you can go anywhere with your caravan.
Yeah.
Nice. It's a nice life, very beautiful life to living.
So I ain't thinking about getting a hot dog door.
Over here. Oh my
In
god.
Queensgate.
We finally have a
In
car.
Queensgate. In
Not
Queensgate.
Queen cake, that's not Queen cake.
And he's working as a penalty that as long as the bathroom
I do like Queen cake. I put two like
I'm just 20 hours there.
You live in 20 hours.
He was just a part-time job. 20 hours a week.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, it's bloody hell. Very bloody hell.
That's why I work morning only.
Morning early. Well, that's what you wanted, isn't it?
So many. Last time we have David.
Yeah, Jerry called him down.
David, and now it's Pai.
Who?
I don't know, is it Thailander or what?
A lady? Lady
No,
or
so men.
man? Of course, it's Thailander. Connie got it. Connie Hardet. Thailander.
Bloody hell.
It's a bloody hell again. All Thailander.
Oh, well.
There's a guy who was replaced by Ezekiel, and then the name is Boom.
Okay.
And the lady was replaced when what the name was that? Marife is a day off. She's there replacing Marife. Duang. The name is Duang.
It's a Thailander also.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Oh my
So
God.
many Thailander.
Bloody hell.
All stuff is Thailander in Queensgate. Yeah. That's good. Because you away already.
Oh, I binigay yan.
Ah, oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Where is your car? That one?
Ay,
Your car?
magtulog ka. Much ka hay.
Ah, oh.
Ang din tao mo.
Bye. Saan punta? Bye. Punta kami guys dito. Ano kayong bibilhin nito? Ano meron dyan? Tindahan ng mga ano, kung anik-anik. Nga, may tugtugan dito. Kainis. Ayun, tumigil. Ako'y nakarating na dito. Ang ganda ng anong to. Ang ganda lang. Ano kaya ito? May mga bunga. Guys, parang ano, parang lambot na siya. Matigas siya. Matigas. Yun guys, ang dami. Pagpahaba ng vlog. Ano binili mo doon? Vape? Pero tinabuhay na camper van, yung ano yun, ay yung caravan, yung ano yun, yung hinihila. Hinihila ng sasakyan. Yun yung caravan na sinasabi ni ano. Yung nasabi ni Barry. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Like and share po. Comment. And click the notification bell po para updated po kayo sa akin ng vlog. And subscribe na rin po. Maraming salamat. Bye!